In this episode, we are going to learn how to draw and color a car with a beautiful nature background and cute travelers.
Spin, spin, spin. Yay, yay, painting time. Let's paint a car. How do we begin?
Let's draw a car. Grab your coloring pens and a white A4 sheet. I'm using red. You can pick your favorite color. Start with a curved line for the roof. Now add 2 straight lines with a little gap. These will be the windows. Let's draw the front of the car. Leave space for the wheels, then finish the back. Make it a little less curved than the front. You can start with a pencil so you can fix it easily if needed. Draw a small pipe at the back. That's the exhaust pipe. Now use yellow to add the headlights. Draw circular wheels. Now let's color the car first before adding more details. Trace the outlines first so you don't color over the details. Now that our car is red, let's make the wheels black. I'm adding a pop of yellow in the center. You can choose gray too. Now add floppy ears, a tiny nose, and cute little eyes. I'm giving the puppy a red collar and a small body peeking out. So adorable! Now let's draw an orange cat in the passenger seat. Add small ears, a tiny body peeking out, and a little tail. I'm using dark orange to add details, the eyes, nose, whiskers, and some cute spots on her body. Let's add a neat outline around her. Look how she pops.
Wow, this car looks so much fun. I'd love to ride in it.
I know. It's super fun, right? Let's make the scene even more awesome. Draw a sunny sun at the top and some trees around. I'm going for an autumn vibe, so I'm using warm orange shades and tints. Come along and draw oval shapes for the trees, just like me. Now fill them in nice and neat. No messy spots. Before drawing the branches and stem, let's first make a green ground line. Now use brown to draw the tree trunks and branches, like this. Keep the bottom of the trunk wider. Let's make the road. Draw a nice curved line and start coloring it. I'm using light green. You can pick brown gray or go green like me. Use long, smooth strokes to color the base. Take your time and carefully color around the details. Wow, the base looks so beautifully green. Let's add some fluffy clouds next. Let's scribble the clouds with blue, just like this. Give the car windows a light blue outline.
Wow, this looks so cool. I'm having so much fun painting this.
Alrighty, let's make it even more fun. Add some grass details and cute little flowers. Let's add cute little leaf details on the trees too. Add some linear details to the clouds. Ta-da! Your beautiful painting is all done.
Wow, it turned out so well. I can't wait to show my friends. They're going to love it.